I've got an elephant for sale, boys and girls. It's Tuesday, April the 27th of 2021. What do you think we're up to in social studies today? We will identify ways people exchange goods and services. We had that yellow word yesterday. Practice it with me again today, pretty please. Exchange. You'll be exchanging today in your Google slide. How? We will first watch Pebble Go to learn some facts, then write and illustrate one good and one service to sell or trade. Those were our new vocabulary yesterday. Practice with me one more time. Sell. I'm selling an elephant. Or trade. Maybe you could trade me a llama. Why are we doing this? We will identify ways people exchange goods and services. We've been working on those goods and services for a few days now. Practice those words with me one more time. Goods, services. Excellent. And on your mark, get set, Pebble Go. Here we come. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides in the video to review consumers, producers, goods and services, buying and selling and trading. Whew, so much good information. Ears on, identiscopes on the screen. Let's learn some facts. Uh-oh, I'm on mute. Pause. Let's get this sound on.
Pebble Go. Producing, buying, and selling. People buy and sell goods and services every day. People who buy or use things are called consumers. People who make or sell things are called producers.
All right, today we'll be talking about buying and selling. Look at the picture. Is this girl buying these goods or selling these goods? What do you think? She's in line at the store to buy them. She's got to give some money. Now, you can't see the cashier, but somebody's going to come ring them up and sell them to the girl.
Producing goods.
Who's making them? Where are they coming from?
Producers sell goods they grow or make. Farmers are producers when they sell the fruits and vegetables they grow. A toy company is a producer when it sells the toys it makes.
Here's 2 ideas that you might use in your Google slide assignment today. You see in the photo, the farmers are selling goods. What are their goods? Tomatoes, fruits, vegetables, things that they grew on their farm. That's something that you could sell to someone or trade someone today, some foods. The other thing the slide teaches us is a toy company. They're producing toys. Then they sell the toys. Maybe you have an old toy around that you're not using anymore. You might want to trade it for a different toy today. Or you could sell it for $1 or $2. Think about, do you want to sell or trade foods, toys? Those are some ideas.
Producing service. Producers offer their time and skills by selling services.
Work.
Doctors are producers when they give people checkups. Taxi drivers are producers when they give people rides.
Here's 2 services in this slide. You see in the photo, this girl's getting her chest checked on, her heartbeat, her lungs. The doctor is giving her work or a service. Now, the other one they taught us in the slide is the taxi driver.
Social studies.
Whoopee. The taxi driver gives people rides. That's a service. You can sell a service today in your slide. What's something you could do for people? I'm giving you a service. What's my service? Teaching. There's so many services. Maybe cleaning my tablet screen. It's pretty dirty with all the fingerprints. Or dusting furniture, laundry. I know there's some services that you can do. Tell me something that you could do for people. I'd pay $1 or $2 for that. 2 more slides.
Consumers buy all sorts of goods. Consumers buy small goods like clothes, toys, and food. They also buy large goods such as boats and houses.
Here's more ideas that you might use. We already talked about the foods. We already talked about the toys. They also said, what's she buying right here? Clothes. You can have any of these accessories, clothes, sweaters, headbands, like she has one too. Those are things that you could buy or sell today. Or big old goods like boats, houses. Now think, how much do these things cost? A sweater. How about how much do you think you have to pay for that? $10? Okay. But what about a boat? That's a lot more than $10. Remember the book, You Can't Buy a Dinosaur with a Dime? You have to start thinking about how much these things cost too. Do you have enough money for those things? Or what could you buy? Be realistic. One more slide.
Consumers spend money on many types of services. They pay to have their cars washed at a gas station. Consumers also spend money to have someone fix their bicycles.
There's 2 more services. You could use some of these ideas today. Could you wash somebody's car? Yeah. Now, how much would somebody pay you to wash their car? Not enough to buy that boat, but maybe $5? Almost enough for the sweater. Another service we learned here is to fix their bicycle. Now, if you had a broken bicycle, how much would you pay for someone to fix it for you? It's the same amount as washing the car? Those are some services you might could use in your slide today of things that you could do. Or there's so many other services out there. Let's watch a video. What's she doing? Buying or selling? Is she buying goods or services? Here she goes. Green onions. Check how much they cost. I like carrots. What do you see here that you like to eat? How much would you pay for that? $1, $2. Do you like to go shopping? Me too. Now that we have seen so many examples of goods and services, buying and selling, let's go over our vocabulary, then do our assignment. Goods. Say it with me, please. Goods. We've got furniture, groceries, clothes. So those are things that you could buy today or sell. Our next word is services. That's work or jobs. Like I'm teaching you is a service. The police officer takes care of you. The nurse also takes care of you. Or the babysitter, number 3, to take care of you. Those are also work and jobs people do for you. Now here comes the 3 words we worked on yesterday. Here we go. What's that say? Buy. She is buying cucumbers. She has to pay money to get the cucumbers to take home with her. Our next word is sell. This girl is selling what? Yummy sour lemonade. You sell it and you get money when you give away the lemonade. Our last word is trade. Trade skis. That means you give something and you get something. These girls are trading some snacks. Ready to use these words and show me what you would buy, sell, and trade? Then come on down and meet me in video 2 so I can show you with my tablet exactly what to do. Hasta pronto.